In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a hard refresh in Google Chrome. This technique is incredibly useful when you want to make sure you're viewing the most up-to-date version of a web page, and it can resolve funky display issues caused by cached data. Let's get started and learn more about this simple yet effective process. First, let's talk about why you might need to do this. Sometimes web browsers save parts of websites known as cache to help them load faster the next time you visit them. However, if changes are made to a web page, your browser might display the older version cached earlier. This is where a hard refresh comes into play. It forces the browser to discard its cached version and download the latest data from the website. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser. Let's assume you already have it open and are browsing a page that doesn't look quite right or where you suspect the information might be outdated. You have a couple of options depending on your operating system. If you're on a Windows computer, first, hold down the Control key. While keeping this key pressed, go ahead and click the Refresh button, the one that looks like a circular arrow at the top of your browser window. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus F5. You'll notice the page will reload and, behind the scenes, fetch the fresh data directly from the server. For our Mac users out there, you'll need to do something slightly different. Hold the Shift key and then click on the Refresh button. Alternatively, press Command plus Shift plus R on your keyboard. This action sends a request for the most current version of the page, bypassing the local cache. You might be wondering, what if you're using Chrome on a Chromebook? It's straightforward as well. Just hold down the Control and Shift keys together and then press R. This combination achieves the same result, forcing a reload without referring to the cached content. Now that you know how to perform a hard refresh in Google Chrome, you should find it easier to ensure you're always seeing the latest and greatest content. It's a useful trick, whether you're a developer making changes to a site or just an everyday user wanting to stay updated. Next time you face an issue with a web page displaying oddly or suspect it might be a little behind, just remember these quick steps to clear things up. And that wraps it up for today's guide. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks just like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.